In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and automate your expenses using intuitive, step-by-step instructions. Mastering this process can save you time and streamline your workflow. So, let's get started right away. First, let's navigate to your Purchases menu, then head over to the Expenses section. A quick shortcut you can use at any time is pressing Shift+X. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on that. The first thing we'll need to do is enter the date of the expense. This is crucial for accurate record keeping and will help you track your budget over time. Next, you need to select the expense account that fits your spending. This is the account where you want this particular purchase to be recorded. Now, it's time to enter the amount spent and any applicable taxes. Make sure you're as precise as possible here to ensure your records reflect the exact totals. Then, you'll decide where this expense was paid from. This could be through a bank account, a credit card, or another financial account. Selecting the correct account is essential for keeping your balances accurate. Once you've established where the money came from, select the vendor from the drop-down list. If you're dealing with a new vendor, don't worry. You can add them right from this menu so you're always up to date with your partners. To further personalize your record, you can add additional details, such as a reference number or any notes that might be handy in the future. When all the information is correct, click Save to register this expense. Now that your expense is recorded, let's move on to making it recurring. Head back to the Purchases menu and select Expenses again. Look for the expense you want to regularize. Once you've found it, click on it to open it. Here you'll notice a button marked Make Recurring. Click this to begin the setup. In the Recurring Expense Profile section, you'll need to fill in a few more details. Start with giving this profile a name, something descriptive enough so you know what it is at a glance. Decide the starting date for this recurring profile, and if you like, set an ending date, or choose the Never Expires option if you intend for the expense to continue indefinitely. Decide how often this expense should repeat. Your options can be weekly, monthly, yearly, etc. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and just like that, you have a recurring expense set up. This will automate your workflow and ensure you never forget about regular expenses. If you need to establish a new recurring expense, simply head to Purchases and then Recurring Expenses. Click on Plus New, provide a profile name, and set the frequency that suits your needs. Fill in the necessary details, establishing start and end dates if required, and don't forget to click Save. And there you have it. You've now set up a system to seamlessly manage and automate expenses, saving you time and allowing you to focus on what really matters in your work.